Magandang hapon po ng Friday, February 23, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Friday, February 23, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas ang para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng February 23, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, February 23, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 151.5 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 64.5 million pesos for February 23, 2024, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Friday, February 23, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.